Alright guys, just a couple of quick things to consider that I've learned in building a diesel, especially a single cylinder diesel. The vibration is absolutely real. If you can't tell, I've had to rebuild the exhaust completely. I'll address that in another video. Just real quick, this whole starter cover is loose, and if you come down, I've lost a bolt somewhere along the way. For the second time now, the horn has completely broke off its mount. So that's dirty dangling. And everything else, I've had to re-weld a couple of things because of the vibration. So coming around to the other side, I still have an active static fuel leak. One of the gaskets up under the fuel selector gauge is still leaking. As you can see, I've repaired the flange going to the turbo, and just a couple of other things to address. If you want to see how real the bolt I used to fix the torque of the motor has a definite bend in it. So I've got to try and address that. So just a real quick update, couple of things you have to consider if you consider building one of these. I'll see you in the next update.